In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a stroke outline on Photoshop. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a really simple thing to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So what I want to do is go ahead and make like a blue background or something like that, so you can go ahead and actually see it. So I'm going to go ahead and select the paint bucket tool, and then go ahead and select a colour. So I'll just do it blue for now, and then go ahead and do that. Then once you've done that, go ahead and find a font that you like. So go to text, find the font. So I'm going to use Montserrat, which is a really good font and very clear to use on like a thumbnail and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead now and just select a white font here, and go ahead and just type in tutorial for now, and go ahead and yeah, I'm happy with that. So go ahead and hit Control T and drag it right into the middle, and you can go ahead and make it a little bit bigger if you want to do that. And then once you've done that, what you want to go ahead and do is right click on the text, and then go ahead and select all pixels, and then go ahead and go over to select on the top bar here, and then go down to modify, and then click on expand. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and you can expand by whichever you like. So I usually do it by like 15, 20, 25. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select 25 for this example, and go ahead and select OK. And then from this step, what you want to go ahead and do is create a new layer, and then go ahead and drag that new layer under the tutorial, and then go ahead down here and select a black. And then what you want to go ahead and do now is hold down shift and click backspace, and then go ahead and click OK or enter. And then as you can see, I've got now a black outline. And if you want to go ahead and tidy up these little like gaps and stuff here, what you can go ahead and do is use the lasso tool, and you can literally go around, and you can do like a straight line, and just literally go around like this, just to tidy it up a little bit, make it look a little bit better. And then go ahead again and hold down shift and click backspace, and go ahead again and click enter or OK. And as you can see, it's filled it in there. And what you want to go ahead and do, obviously it's not perfect on mine at the minute, but I would take more time if I was going to use this for a thumbnail or anything like that. So what you can go ahead and do is you can go ahead and follow it all the way around, and pretty much just make it as neat as you possibly can. And that's literally how you do it, guys. It's super simple, super easy. So if this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.